Alright. Sorry it's a little dark out. But I'm sure you can hear that squealing, squeaking noise. Hold on. Jumped into high idle. So I'm at, I think 1,700 miles since they put the new belt on. And it's back again, as you can hear. So, I was talking to another guy. I joined a forum called, I think it's hdram. I'll put a link in then. But I was talking to a guy, actually on Facebook. And he said he's been using this stuff on the belt. Puts a little bit on the belt. I actually say he puts a good amount on the belt and it goes away, the squealing noise. I opened the belt up, or the hood up. The belt looks fine. I don't see any wear marks or anything on it. Honestly, the belt looks brand new. At about 1,200 miles, there was some kind of like whitish marks on it. But I mean, you take your fingernail and it scraped right off. And now the belt looks good. So I don't know if that's part of like the break-in process or some bullshit. But anyway, it's my new Jayco. Anyways, so I'm gonna put some of this grease on here, and it should go away. It's not too loud. It's not as loud as it's been in the past. And maybe it will as time goes on get louder, but I'm not gonna bother taking it back to the shop. I'm just tired of taking it back to the shop until I can find some kind of permanent fix. And I've been here once. Like I said, I went on that forum, and there's probably 20 or 30 guys that have this issue. And no one's gotten it resolved from going to the dealership. So I also did get a Gates belt, but I didn't put it on. A bunch of the guys on that forum got a Gates belt and the Gates belt tensioner, put it on, and it didn't help. I also will tell you that everyone seems to get the squealing, chirping noise at a different mileage. Some people get it at 500, and some people don't get it till 5,000. So, but as of right now, Chrysler has no permanent fix for it. And I guess I'll keep you posted if this dielectric grease does work, which it will. I'm pretty sure it will. It works for the other guys. I'll make another video and update you and just tell you it's, you know, permanent, not a permanent fix, but it's still a fix, at least make the noise go away. But it's the guy that used this grease stuff here. He actually lemon lawed his truck, and he got a new truck from Chrysler. I think he had a 2019, they gave him a 2020, and 500 miles later it starts fucking doing the same thing, the same squealing noise. He's pissed. But anyways, so I just wanted to make a quick update video on that. I'm also going to post up a better like picture of everything they've done to my truck, so that way you can see that here without going to the other video. If you haven't seen the other video, I do have another video up on this, but it's a little boring and dry. So at least here you can see or hear the squeal, or squeak, whatever you want to call it. So anyways, I'll keep everyone updated and as things go on. And if anyone else has this issue, just comment, let me know what you've done to fix it or what the dealership has done. So, alright, bye.